Next ones. There are two different ways you can think of this. Either you can go way back to chapter 2 and say, oh, there's a fraction in my equation, and since there's a fraction, I got to get rid of the fraction by multiplying by the denominator, right? To get rid of that w, I would times everything by w. Otherwise, you could make it into a proportion by putting the 6 over 1 and cross multiply. Here, if I just times by my w, the w's cancel, I get negative 9 equals 6w. Over here, if I cross multiply, well, negative 9 times 1 is negative 9, 6 times w is 6w. I get the same thing either way, it's just a matter of how do you want to look at the problem. Because I know you're going to get to some longer fraction problems, I like to do it this way. Anytime I see that fraction, I want to get rid of the fraction by multiplying by what's in the denominator. I multiply by the w. I still have to finish it, so I'm going to divide by my 6.
How come mine has a V?
Probably because there was a typo and then I fixed it.
Oh.
After I looked at it, I went, oh, wait a minute. Solve for w. One had a w and one had a v, and I went, oh. The typist sometimes likes to just copy and paste and forgot to change something. So, we still need to simplify our fraction. If I have negative 9/6, I can reduce that down because I can divide by 3. So negative 3 over 2 should be our answer for w.
So you divide 6?
You divide by the 6 because I want the w by itself, exactly. So then I get negative 9/6, which reduces down. So now number 11, we're going to solve that one for v. The v is in the denominator. The first thing I want to do is get rid of that fraction, so I'm going to times by the v so I can cancel the fraction out of there. So 5 is going to equal negative 3v. Then I divide by the negative 3. There's not a whole lot of simplifying to that one other than we can put the negative in front, and so negative 5/3. So number 12, same thing. First thing I want to do with that one is times by the u, since I've got a u on this one. And so if I cancel out my u there, I'm going to get negative 10. Exactly. Don't forget the negative in front of the fraction. We usually put that with the top number. And so now when we solve that, divide by negative 5. And so our answer is going to be
2
equals u. So our answer is just 2, since negative 10 divided by negative 5 is a positive 2. That one came out to a nice whole number.